Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with a keyboard. So for example, the messages browser and the notes, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And then let's enter the settings, which should be on this panel. If they are not visible, no worries, 3 dots icon here and the settings will appear. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. Here we have to tap on Add Keyboard, and we are transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. Of course, you can scroll or you can just type it here in the search area. So after finding your language, just tap on it, and sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So let me tap on it, and again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the keyboard modes, the keyboard types. So sometimes you will be able to pick only from two, or even from up to 7, I believe. Different types of keyboard, and let's pretend I want this one to be applied. So let me mark it just by tapping on it and turn off this option. Then let's tap on Done, and as you can see, the Urdu language has been applied. So right now we can go back to the keyboard and check, because basically we will have two differences. Right now only one is visible, and it is the globe icon. So it will act as a language key, thanks to which we will be able to change the language. So right now I'm kind of typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And here we've got also the second difference. So the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So as you can see right here, we've got English also. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to change it and have only one. So then in order to do that, we have to enter the languages again. And here from this step where we've got the list of applied languages, we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language we would like to remove. Tap on the trash bin icon, and as you can see, we've got only English left, so only one language. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all, we do not have the language key, and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.